So in this variation, we're going to start with one leg forward again. Okay, we've got the heel of the front foot and the toes of the back foot roughly in the same line. And we're going to have our feet roughly shoulder width apart, maybe a little narrower like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep the knee bent on the front leg. We're going to work on hinging with the hips really slowly, but we're going to press through this midfoot. So between just forward of the ankle bone, okay, or ankle joint, and the big toe joint here, we want to really press through this part here, okay? Press hard into the ground, build that connection between the midfoot and the hip. So we're going to reach this opposite arm forward, hips back, knee stays bent, and the lower back stays relatively straight or slightly rounded even. We're going to press through that midfoot to drive the hip up, pressing hard for a period of about 15 to 20 seconds. So it's slow, controlled, trying to keep that pressure, not fall back or fall forward, just staying in control, pressing through that midfoot. And then as we start to come up, knee should still be bent. We're going to keep pressing through that midfoot and we're going to reach, reach, reach. Now the left arm up and keep pressing the inside of that midfoot into the ground. So pressing the foot down and reaching the arm up. Naturally the knee will straighten a little more, okay? And we're going to, so pressing down, really loading that hip and reaching and opening this side. If you need to have the foot or the stance a little wider to make that happen, that's fine. So I'll show you from the front now, okay? In fact, I'll show you from behind, it's probably better. We're going to go from here, okay, set up, going to reach forward. That's my start position, pushing through the midfoot nice and hard, taking my time, not rushing it, pressing hard as I can through the foot. The knee stays bent. And now I'm starting to slowly, as I come up and forward with those hips naturally, still with a bent knee, I'm going to reach that arm up whilst I keep pressing, particularly the inside of the midfoot down. So I'm pushing the ground away from me and reaching up to the sky, trying as much tension happening as I do that. If you need to go a little bit wider so that you can kind of push away, that's also fine. But you should see that goes down, the hip and the leg, and the arm comes up into that position. Stand tough, but give it a go.